most traders are losing. Not because their strategy is bad, but because they're reading the wrong candles. They're reacting to noise instead of following the real trend. What if you could remove that noise and actually see where the market is going? In this video, I'll show you the difference between Heikin Ashi and standard candlesticks, and more importantly, how smart traders use both to stay on the right side of the market. By the end of this video, you'll understand why Heikin Ashi gives you cleaner trends, why standard candles often mislead traders, and how to combine both for better entries and better timing. Let's start with Heikin Ashi. The idea behind Heikin Ashi is simple but powerful. It filters out market noise and shows you the true direction of price. Unlike standard candles that react to every small movement, Heikin Ashi smooths everything out so you can clearly see the trend. This means less confusion, fewer emotional decisions, and more clarity in your trading. Now here's how you read it. When you see green candles with little to no lower wick, that signals a strong uptrend. Buyers are in control and price is pushing higher with confidence. On the other hand, when you see red candles with little to no upper wick, that signals a strong downtrend. Sellers are in control and price is moving lower with momentum. So instead of guessing, you're simply following momentum. Now let's talk about standard candlesticks. These are what most traders use. And while they show more detail, that detail comes with a problem: noise. Standard candles show every spike, every rejection, and every fake move. Because of that, many traders get trapped. They enter too early, exit too late, or end up trading based on emotions. So let's break it down clearly. Heikin Ashi gives you a smoother chart, clearer trend direction, and less noise. Standard candles give you more detail, but also more confusion and more fake signals. So which one is better? Neither. Because smart traders don't choose one, they combine both. Here's the real edge. Use Heikin Ashi to identify the trend. Let it guide you on the direction of the market. Then switch to standard candles for your entry. Wait for a pullback, wait for confirmation, and then execute with precision. This way, you're not guessing direction, and you're not entering blindly. You're combining clarity with precision. And that's where your edge comes from. But remember this. Never rely on one confirmation. Not Heikin Ashi, not candlesticks, not anything. Always combine market structure, key levels, and confirmation. That's how you avoid getting trapped. If you want to trade smarter, start seeing the market clearly. Stop reacting to noise and start following direction. Use Heikin Ashi for clarity and standard candles for precision. If this helped you, follow for more high-level trading content. AFTechTrades. Plan your trade. Trade your plan.